Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Horizon. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the job you do every day is now being done faster, cheaper, and more efficiently by a machine. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but the reality is that this transformation has already begun. Across the world, companies are developing robots. They're developing robots that can cook food, perform surgery, drive vehicles, build houses, deliver packages, and even care for the elderly. These machines are no longer simple mechanical arms and factories. They are intelligent systems powered by artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and incredible engineering. Some of these robots are already working alongside humans today, while others are just a few years away from entering everyday life. And the shocking part is that many experts believe these robots could replace millions of human jobs sooner than most people expect. So today on Future Horizon, we're diving into 10 incredible robots that are caught quietly preparing to change the world. One of the most advanced robots currently being developed is the humanoid robot designed to work in environments built for humans. From the outside, it looks almost like a futuristic human worker. 2 arms, 2 legs, and the ability to walk, carry objects, and use tools. Its exterior design is sleek and minimal, built with lightweight metal and durable composite materials that allow it to move efficiently without wasting energy. Inside, powerful processors act as its brain, constantly analyzing its surroundings through cameras and sensors. The interior systems rely on neural networks that allow the robot to learn tasks the same way humans do, by observing and practicing. In terms of performance, this robot can lift heavy loads, organize inventory in warehouses, and even assist in manufacturing environments. Safety features include obstacle detection, human recognition systems, and automatic shutdown if something unexpected occurs. What makes it truly unique is its ability to learn new tasks quickly through artificial intelligence rather than traditional programming. Companies expect robots like this to eventually cost around $20,000 to $30,000. Which may sound expensive, but is far cheaper than paying a human salary for many years. Another robot that is already making waves is the fully autonomous delivery robot. From the outside, it looks like a small futuristic vehicle, often about the size of a cooler with wheels. Its exterior is designed to be weather resistant, allowing it to travel through rain, snow, and rough sidewalks. Inside the robot are compartments for food, groceries, or packages, along with navigation computers that constantly calculate the fastest and safest route to its destination. The performance of these robots is surprisingly impressive, as they can travel several miles autonomously while avoiding pedestrians, traffic, and obstacles. Safety systems include 360-degree cameras, GPS tracking, and real-time monitoring from remote control centers. The unique selling point of these robots is their ability to deliver items at a fraction of the cost of human drivers. Many companies estimate that each robot can perform hundreds of deliveries per week without breaks or overtime. The price of these robots varies depending on technology, but many cost around $5,000 to $10,000, making them extremely attractive for businesses. In hospitals around the world, surgical robots are quietly transforming medicine. The exterior of these systems looks like a sophisticated medical workstation with robotic arms that hold surgical tools. Inside the system, extremely precise motors and advanced imaging systems allow surgeons to control every movement with incredible accuracy. The interior technology includes high-resolution 3D cameras and artificial intelligence that can assist doctors in making delicate surgical decisions. When it comes to performance, these robots can perform operations with precision that human hands alone cannot achieve, reducing complications and speeding up patient recovery. Safety features include multiple layers of monitoring, emergency stop systems, and real-time diagnostics to ensure the robot functions perfectly during procedures. The unique selling point is precision and consistency, which means patients often experience smaller incisions, less pain, and faster healing times. These machines are extremely expensive, often costing over $1 million, but hospitals view them as a long-term investment. In better healthcare. Another fascinating development is robotic chefs that can cook full meals automatically. On the outside, these systems often resemble futuristic kitchen setups with robotic arms mounted above stoves, grills, and cutting boards. The interior contains advanced motion systems and databases filled with thousands of recipes. In terms of performance, these robots can chop ingredients, stir sauce, grill meat, and plate dishes with perfect consistency every time. Safety systems ensure that the robot avoids overheating equipment and automatically shuts down if something unusual happens. The unique selling point is speed and consistency, allowing restaurants to serve high-quality meals without relying heavily on human chefs. Some companies believe robotic kitchens could dramatically reduce restaurant operating costs. Prices vary widely depending on complexity, but many robotic cooking systems cost between $50,000 and $100,000. Construction robots are also beginning to change the way buildings are made. Their exterior often looks like large mechanical systems mounted on tracks or cranes. Performance is where these robots truly shine. They can lay bricks, pour concrete, and assemble structural components much faster than human workers. Safety features include environmental sensors that monitor structural stability and automatic shutdown systems to prevent accidents. The unique selling point of these robots is efficiency, as they can operate continuously without fatigue. Construction companies believe robotic builders could significantly reduce project timelines. The price of these machines can range from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, depending on their capabilities. Another robot that could replace human labor is the agricultural harvesting robot. Its exterior is designed to navigate farms with rugged wheels, robotic arms, and specialized harvesting tools. Inside, cameras and AI systems analyze crops to determine when fruits and vegetables are perfectly ripe. In performance tests, these robots can harvest produce faster and more accurately than human workers, while reducing waste. Safety systems include plant recognition technology that prevents damage to crops and emergency stop systems if humans approach. The unique selling point is the ability to work day and night during harvest season without exhaustion. These robots typically cost tens of thousands of dollars, but can save farms huge amounts in labor costs over time. In warehouses, sorting robots are already becoming essential. Their exterior design is compact and efficient, allowing hundreds of robots to move across warehouse floors simultaneously. Inside, powerful processors and navigation systems coordinate their movements to avoid collisions while maximizing efficiency. Performance is incredibly fast, with robots capable of sorting thousands of packages per hour. Safety features include collision detection, proximity sensors, and coordinated traffic management systems. The unique selling point is scalability, meaning companies can simply add more robots to increase productivity. The price for each robot can range from several thousand to around $20,000, depending on the technology. Customer service robots are also appearing in airports, hotels, and shopping malls. From the outside, they often resemble friendly humanoid assistants with screens that display expressions. Their interior systems include speech recognition technology and AI software capable of answering questions and guiding visitors. In performance terms, these robots can provide directions, check reservations, and assist customers without needing rest. Safety systems ensure safe interaction with humans and prevent collisions in crowded areas. The unique selling point is constant availability, allowing businesses to provide assistance 24 hours a day. Many of these robots cost between $10,000 and $50,000. Another powerful development is security patrol robots. Their exterior resembles small autonomous vehicles equipped with cameras and lights. Inside are surveillance systems, motion detectors, and AI software capable of identifying suspicious activity. Performance includes continuous patrols of parking lots, warehouses, and large facilities. Safety features include remote human monitoring and emergency alert systems. The unique selling point is their ability to patrol areas continuously without fatigue, making them valuable for security operations. Prices can vary, but often range from $20,000 to $100,000 depending on capabilities. Finally, one of the most talked about developments is personal assistant robots designed for homes. Their exterior is compact and friendly, often with wheels or small legs for movement around the house. Inside, advanced AI systems allow them to understand voice commands, manage schedules, and control smart home devices. Performance includes tasks like reminding users of appointments, monitoring home security, and even assisting elderly individuals with daily activities. Safety features include facial recognition, fall detection alerts, and secure data systems. The unique selling point is convenience, bringing intelligent assistants directly into the home. Many companies aim to price these robots between $1,000 and $5,000 to make them accessible to everyday consumers. The truth is that robots are no longer a distant concept. They are already entering factories, hospitals, farms, kitchens, and homes around the world. While some people fear job loss, others believe these machines will create new industries and opportunities that we cannot yet imagine. What is certain is that the pace of innovation is accelerating faster than ever before. On Future Horizon, we believe understanding these technologies is the first step toward preparing for the future. Because the world we are heading toward will not just include robots working for humans, it will include robots working beside us in ways that may completely redefine what it means to work. And the real question is not whether robots will replace certain human jobs. The real question is how humanity will adapt to a world where machines can do so much of what we once believed only humans could do. If you found this exploration fascinating, make sure you stay connected with Future Horizon because the future is arriving faster than anyone expected.